Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at increasing our vocabulary with a fun word. What's the word? The word is bamboozle. Bamboozle. Yeah, bamboozle. Say it. Bamboozle. Got it. What does bamboozle mean? And is it really a word? Yes, it is really a word, and it has some meanings. Let me show you. Bamboozle means to cheat, to trick, or to fool. Oh, don't bamboozle people. It's not nice. And it is a word. It's been around since 1703. That's older than me. Yeah, and it started as slang, but now it's just a word in our vocabulary. And the word is also a verb. You'll hear it a lot in past tense, like, ooh, I got bamboozled by that car salesman. I got cheated. I got tricked. I got fooled. Why does English have such a fun word like bamboozle? I don't know, but I sure do like it. And now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. The bartender bamboozled his customers when he watered down their booze. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with bamboozle? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friend.